Hello students, welcome back to my class. So in this class we are going to start the B reading, Be Happy of the class 4th, which is nothing but the poem. Before we get into the poem, let's read the poem. Smile and laugh, everybody is with you. Shriek and cry, no one is near you. Beware and dare, the world is behind you. If meek and dull, it run away from you. Be happy and good, your friends are many. Be sad always, there remains nobody else. There remain nobody. What we are going to learn is try to be happy. So this poem is all about always focus on the solutions, not on the problems, and try to search for the happiness, whatever you are going through. Life में जो भी हो students, we have to be happy. Whatever problems आने दो, कुछ परेशानी आने दो, always don't think too much about the problems. Always try to be happy. Let's see what the poem is telling us. Smile and laugh, everyone's with you. It means if you are laughing, if you are smiling, obviously everyone will be with us only. People will be around us if we are smiling, talking positive, अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं, हम अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं. What will happen? हमारे पास जो है अच्छे अच्छे लोग सराउंड करते हैं. Everyone सब जो है हमारी बातें सुनना पसंद करते हैं. Why? Because we are laughing. Why? Because हम इतनी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं. That makes them to be happy also. Shriek and cry, no one is near you. Shriek means shouting. Shriek and cry, crying with full of loud, shouting and crying. No one is near you. If you are crying, if you are shouting, if you are making the things so bad, worse, चीज़ें बहुत ख़राब कर रहे हैं आप, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा चीख के रो रहे हैं, कोई भी आपके नज़दीक नहीं आएगा. No one will be comes near you. Everyone will run away. Everyone will be far away. No one wants to sit besides you. If you are crying, if you are shouting, that the person will be get scared. अगर हम ज़्यादा चीख चीख के रोए, बहुत ज़्यादा, what else if you are sitting in a place where so many peoples are there, the people will start looking at us and they will get scared. See how the bad person he or she is. If we are crying and shouting, people will not come near to us. No one is near to you. So the next stanza is telling us, be brave and dare. Be brave. Be brave and dare. It means हमें always if कोई problem आए, कुछ परेशानी आए, we have to be brave. We have to be strong and dare. Dare means bold. हमें bold बनना चाहिए, हमें brave रहना चाहिए, strong रहना चाहिए, so that we can face the problem, we can face the difficulty, we can face anything in life. The world is behind you. If you are brave and dare, पूरी दुनिया आपके पीछे है. You can face anything. हम हर चीज़ का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं. If we are brave and dare, and the world is behind you. हमारी पीछे है, पूरी दुनिया है, हम हर चीज़ का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं. We can face anything. Let's see the next stanza. If meek and dull, it runs away from you. If meek and dull means if you are so quiet, not talking to anyone, you are so sensitive, you are so humble, polite, आप जो है हर किसी का सुन ले रहे हैं, खामोश बैठ रहे हैं. If anyone is telling you, scolding you, and you are just like sitting quiet, it means, and you are looking so dull also, no energy, no activeness, no smiling, no talking, nothing, only sitting in a corner. It runs away from you. People will run away from you. What they will think? Oh, this man is like so dull, so inactive, no energy at all, not talking to anyone. If someone is telling, अगर उसे कुछ बोल दे रहा है, he is listening quietly. What people will do? No, he is waste. Let's go away from him, and they will run away from that person, from that kind of persons. So always we have to keep ourselves energetic. Always we should talk. Talk means not useless talk. We should talk which makes the people interesting. That kind of talking we should talk. Unnecessarily we should not talk. Meek and dull, you should not be so sensitive. sitting quietly, listening to everybody, not answering to the questions, not understanding anything, feeling so dull, not eating properly, no activeness, nothing. People will run away from you. Next stanza is, be happy and good, your friends are many. So always students try to be happy, try to be good, eat healthy, stay positive, अच्छे से खाओ, अच्छे से रहो, अच्छे से बात करो, न्यू चीज़ें सीखने की कोशिश करो, न्यू activities, न्यू creativities. Your friends are many. Then if you do all such things, बहुत सारे अच्छे लोग हमें देखने को मिलेंगे, हमें उनसे बात करने को लगेंगे. If we are learning something, if we are practicing something, we have to go somewhere. हम अच्छे से बात करेंगे, अच्छे से काम सीखेंगे, अच्छे से what we will be so brave, we will be so bold. हम जो है हर चीज़ का आंसर दे पाएंगे. If someone is asking something, what will happen? We will create new friends. हमारे नए दोस्त बनेंगे, नए लोग से हम जो है मीट करेंगे, इंटरैक्ट करेंगे. देन वी विल बी सो हैप्पी कि हम जो है बहुत ज़्यादा न्यू लोग से मिल रहे हैं और हमारे न्यू फ्रेंड्स विल स्टार्ट. वी कैन मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स विल स्टार्ट coming to us and they will become our friends and people will talk with us. So many friends are going to be there with you if you are happy, if you talk actively, if you are brave and bold. And what else? If you always smile, always laugh, always active, always answer the questions, you will be feeling so happy. In this way, what we have come to know, that these stanza of the poem tell us, always smile and laugh, never cry with shouting. Don't cry and shout. Shouting, crying, people will run away from you. Always be brave and dare. Meek and dull, don't be so inactive, inenergetic, don't be dull, keeping quiet yourself, not answering to the questions, not talking to anybody. Don't do this, people will run away. Always be happy and be good with the people, help others. If they are facing कोई problem उन्हें लग रही है तो हमें जितना हो सका try to help them. If we have the solution with us, हमें जाकर उनकी मदद करना चाहिए. We can reduce their effort, we can help them, we always be a helpful hand. Okay students, then only people will appreciate us, हमारी तारीफ करेंगे. And what will happen? न्यू friends बनेंगे हमारे भी, हम बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से बातचीत करने लगेंगे. Then only everything will is going to start happening. So be happy, stay healthy, and what else? Revise this poem and learn the new words which are shriek and meek. Understand the meanings, note down these meanings in your poem. Okay students, till then take care of yourself. Thank you.